Hello friends, so I got really curious to find out if this giant worm mandible teeth are strong enough to penetrate my flesh, and I found out the hard way. Watch what happens. Yes, I got bit.
I was just kidding. You can see my hand. I wasn't beating, I was just joking. But have you ever wondered how this edible worm, the edible worm you call akokno in Ghana, what you call Bayelsa suya, what you call edo, what you call edible, maggot. Actually, they are not called maggots. Have you wondered how they eat? Have you wondered how they grow and where they grow? I'm going to be showing you a lot about these edible worms on my channel. Hi, my name is Thompson Jr. I am the CEO of Don TJ Eco Farms. I run a farm business where I raise edible insects for human consumption and animal feed. But I also provide food and food ingredients for both the local market and the international market. Please join me, like, share, and subscribe for more updates on palm weevil larva, insect farming, animal feed, food for human consumption. Let's go. Some people actually think this the palm weevil larva, doesn't eat at all. They think they just absorb food, but that's totally false. They actually eat with their mandible. They are able to crush in and munch on sugarcane, banana, plantain. Oh, they love plantain a lot. They love plantain and cassava. Surprisingly, what you call waste, what you throw away in the market, is what this weevil eat. And sometimes those of us who farm these things, we go out to get these things, whether we buy them or we get them free, because who sells waste sometimes? They give you waste for free. So even their food source are not difficult to source. And they consume these things so fast that it produces a lot of protein in them. That's why they are rich in protein.
This is sugarcane after I fed it to palm weevil larva. It has become bagasse, the byproduct. Teeth strong enough to burrow through coconut, that's palm weevil larva.
Yeah, we've come to the end of our video. Thank you for your patience for staying and watching. Now, if you want to learn more about these edible worms, you want to learn how to farm them and raise them on your own, you want to learn how to prepare a dish with it, you want to learn how to cook some of them, please don't fail to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so that we can update you on more about these insects. Now, if you've ever eaten any of these edible grubs, these edible worms, or maybe you've touched one before, or you've eaten them live, some people have actually done that. Some people actually do that. Please share a comment on this on the comment box, and we'll see ourselves next time. Thank you. Bye bye.